Brave Reporting Video for 2nd Grade by Anasia Bullard, Teacher in Residence. 2nd grade is the grade level I decided to teach. No, it's not the grade I am teaching currently. I am currently a teacher in residence, like I stated in my introduction slide. That means that wherever they needed me at this entire school year, I was there. If it was long-term subbing, which I did for 3 months in 3rd grade. If it was just subbing for weeks at a time, which I did from K through 8th grade this school semester. I am currently subbing a class that is 4th grade at this moment in time for a teacher that is going on maternity leave. But I hope next year I get my classroom, and I do hope it is 2nd grade. If not 2nd, then 1st. But because I have high hopes, I have did my presentation on 2nd grade. 2nd grade. Focuses are work with money, work with equal groups, relate addition and subtraction to length, represent and solve subtraction and addition problems, add and subtract within 20. Understand place value, understanding properties of operation, measure and estimate lengths in standard units, reason with shapes and their attributes. K through 2nd math curriculum. Operations and algebraic thinking, number and operations and base 10, measurement and data geometry. Standards mathematical practice implications. Focus is one of them. Focus calls for greater focus on fewer topics, less and more specific on less. So summing up all of the topics into less standards or into one standard, say if it's about subtraction and addition, I would put that in one standard. Why? Because it helps to be a little more specific on that one standard instead of getting multiple things at one time, and which is not helping them understand. It's actually confusing the children more. Coherence. Math must be thought of as coherent body of knowledge made up of topics that are all connected and build on each other. Rigor refers to how we support students in developing deep understanding of each standard. Domain progression. For 2nd grade, the main focuses in math are building fluency with addition and subtraction, using standard units of measure in describing and analyzing shapes. Building on these are preparing them for more expanded math for the next grade level. Helpful tools. Playing educational math games. This builds conceptual understanding and fluency. Try helpful learning games for the student and also you, the parent/guardian. To name a few: Splash Math, Craig Tang Math, Raft Race, and Thinking Boxes. Use math objects such as place value boxes, Velcro counting materials, rulers, flashcards, and more. You can make math objects as well with paper and other objects to make it simpler on yourself and your budget. Summary reflection. In 2nd grade, all learning standards, math, reading, science, and social studies are building together for future standards being taught. This grade level, I feel, marks the beginning of what should stay in the long-term memory in the brain. So it is important to teach in a focused, patient way. Younger students learn better with continuing words, patterns, and rhythm, like songs, pledges, and poems. Adding these to the teaching process could be a positive to keep what they learn in their brain cells easier. Here are my references, and that is the end.